Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen with steps recorder in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to record screen with steps recorder in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. After scroll down, click on Windows. Now scroll down, click on Steps Recorder. That is, if you want to start, click on Start Recorder. And if you want to stop, so click on Stop Recorder. If you want to save, click on Save. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to record screen with steps recorder in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.